Hey guys, it's Mrs. Linda Meyer, just checking in my horror movie room. I know we have a small light in our office and I don't want to turn on any other light because it's not even 6 o'clock yet and I gotta make sure the kids stay asleep for a little while. I hope you had a great weekend, probably better than mine. My husband got the flu, so that's been fun. He's gonna go get his flu shot now from now on. That's a good thing. But anyways, progress, right? I just wanted to update you with a quick video update. Keep up the good work. We have 4 weeks left of content. Can you even believe that? Only 4, and then we are completely finished. We have finals and we're done, okay? Speaking of finals, please make sure you go see my announcements. I have from last week one that says like finals information, read, something like that, read me. And make sure that you understand what your final is, what you're responsible for, and where you can start studying for those finals, okay? Another thing that I wanted to mention is that you need to be reaching out to make an appointment with me if you still need to turn in work from some of those closed units, okay? So make sure that you are reaching out. Please remember that I have availability for every week that I post in your class, and I will tell you exactly where I'm going to be and when I'm going to be there for you to meet with me to reopen those assignments, okay? I know some of you have also been wondering about Boulder Creek again. It was a bonanza up there this last Wednesday with both social studies teachers up there. It was actually really fun to see some of my kids and get to hang out with you and make fun of you a little bit, and I appreciate that because goodness gracious knows I absolutely love kids and I miss the classroom a lot, so it's really nice to get to see you guys, even though you're my little slacker pants, but still. I wanted to let you know when I was going to be at Boulder Creek again. I have one more appointment at Boulder Creek, okay? And that will be April 24th. I will most likely, as long as I don't have any other meetings scheduled, which I'll let you know, but I most likely will be getting there early enough for you to see me in the library for a little bit, and then I'll be heading over to the lab till 7 o'clock that day, okay? I just wanted to let you know, mark it on your calendars. It's a Wednesday, April 24th. That is when I'll be up there. It's the last time I'm going to be up there at the Boulder Creek, okay? Otherwise, for this week, I have Goldwater from 12 to 4 on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'll be there 9 to 11, and then we have a meeting at 11, so I have to stop for like an hour, but then I'll be there again from 12 to 4. And then Thursday, I'll only be there from 8 to 1:30, okay? Only there from 8 to 1:30. My son's got a performance at school, so good times. All right. Just remember, I'm proud of the work that you've been doing in this class, whether you're a senior in economics or you're in one of my honors world history courses or you've been muddling through world history too. I'm really, really proud of everything that you've been doing in this class and all my students. I know you have busy schedules. I know you have busy lives, just like I do. And I appreciate you taking the time to do well in the course, okay? So just keep using those pacing calendars. Remember, they're in your first module there for you to plan ahead, get your work in on time because we are coming up to the wire, guys. Anyways, I appreciate you. I hope you have a great week. Happy Monday. And I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye, guys.